Hi friends! Today we will make avocado chickpea sandwich. We will prepare spicy chickpeas and guacamole. Let's start! We will start with the guacamole. Chop one medium onion and to eliminate its rawness a little bit, add hot water on top of it and take it aside. Take one large tomato. We will remove the juicy part in order to get the right texture for our guacamole. And chop the rest in small pieces. Get 9 to 10 branches of parsley. We will chop this as well. If you don't like parsley, you can skip this step. Now the avocado. Honestly, my avocado was not mature enough unfortunately, but I had no choice. Squeeze one lemon on top of it to prevent from darkening and also for flavor. Now let's combine everything. Add onions that rested in hot water for 10 minutes. Also tomatoes and parsley. Mince 1 clove of garlic as well. It will add a nice flavor. Add half teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Now let's move on with the spicy chickpeas, my favorite. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Use 1 cup of cooked chickpeas. You can use store-bought or cook at home in advance. Now stir on high heat for a few minutes. For the spices, add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of mint, quarter teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of salt. It didn't look hot enough, so I added more paprika. You can adjust it. Cook for about 5 minutes. Now the final step, bread. I cleaned the pan and now I will use it to toast the bread slices. On high heat, cook each side until they get brownish. Yum! Now it's ready to eat.